Hi, everybody. My name is Kim Steens, and I am 36 years old, and I live in Fort Mitchell, Alabama. I have been living here for about 5 years, and I love it here. I'm originally from Germany, which is where I met my husband, who's a U.S. soldier. We have three children. We have a 15-year-old boy, we have an 8-year-old girl, and we have a 19-month-old baby boy who is a handful. I'm a very spiritual and creative person, and I love being a mother and a wife. But being a military wife also means sacrifice for the whole family in every sense of the word. I have a degree in interior design. I have a nail license, and I'm a cake decorator. Interesting combination, you might think. Well, I also like to help people who are going through struggles and hard times, which is the reason I decided to go back to school to pursue a degree in addiction counseling. I want to pass on what I learned and guide people through the process of recovery from addiction, just like people did when I needed guidance in my life. I am currently working on my bachelor's degree in social work, which is required before I start my master's in addiction counseling. I love spending time with my kids. I enjoy cooking and baking, and I'm also into CrossFit and weightlifting. Well, with that being said, I am excited to get this course started and to get this show on the road. Good luck, everybody.